Hi guys, I'm here with a very quick test about the oscillation of this power tube. It's also called quick zap. It's some kind of a TENS unit, but some people say it can do much more. There are even some really interesting videos about that from a German university. It's really worth watching that, what they have found, but I'm not talking here more about that. I have just this oscilloscope, and so I wanted to show you what this device is emitting regarding the voltage and frequency. And so I'm turning this on here, and I start it, and I touch it here, and I touch the black probe and then touch the red probe to the other end, so we can see what's going on. We have a voltage peak to peak of 7 volts here at the moment. I hope you can see that. It's a little bit difficult to see because it has a really super high frequency of around 222 kilohertz. Yeah, I hope that's really correct. That's super high. Now the voltage has gone down, but you can see the frequency a little bit better, 300 kilohertz, really super high. Voltage is very low. And of course we can do the same test here with just touching the plus and the minus. I mean, there's no plus and minus. It is alternate current. It's not DC. And then we see a little bit higher voltage. I think I've seen 4 point something. Now it's showing 1.35. The kilohertz is still above 300. Let's remove it again, do it again. Yeah, I have seen definitely 4 volts, but now it's down to 1.2. So also very low voltage directly on the device itself. And since the beeping of the device has stopped, it looks like it's thinking that a normal person is holding it and it's working in a correct way. Now the voltage is even lower. Maybe let's start it again from scratch. Let's try here, and you can see the voltage at the beginning is a little bit higher. We have a 3.6 volts, and after time it's then dropping, but the frequency is going up. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. I stopped this here. I wanted to test in particular the voltage. Some people are saying it needs around 50 volts to penetrate the skin to be active underneath, but I have already tested normal TENS units which definitely can move like muscle or so, and they are also below 50 volts. My test result was even down at 10 volts, so I'm not absolutely sure about that. And of course this is also a rather cheap oscilloscope. So I don't know if this was interesting for you. We definitely have a rather low voltage and we have a very high frequency. Maybe the frequency was even higher, I don't know. I've just checked with the box here and it's saying it can measure up to 200 kilohertz. Looks like it's going even higher, but I don't know if that was the limit. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this quick video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.